Hi there. So yeah, we just started our first podcast. So just bear with us. Hindi po to siya perfect. It's just very raw. Kasi parang impromptu lang to na parang naisipan lang namin. So why not, 'di ba? So yan.
Okay, let's jump
Oo.
to another question.
Yes.
Wala talaga ako in-expect na matino sa questions ko, pero eto na yun.
Di ba nakikita mo, iba-iba dynamic din ng
Oo.
natin.
True.
Oo.
Oh, dating life journey. Siguro let's say na lang, one thing that you've learned about your dating life journey na lang. Since
Hmm.
we've both in that chapter na same year nakipaghiwalay,
Oo, no.
same na coming from a very long-term relationship,
Mm.
na yung tipong akala mo siya na. First
Oo.
boyfriend mo ba siya, bay?
Hindi.
Okay.
Ano?
Pero that's a very long term. Yun yung first serious one mo?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, kasi I always have that ano, eh, may 3-month rule hindi, ano iba yung 3 months mo. Kapag I do in a relationship talaga, good thing if lagpas ka ng 3 months.
Hmm.
Yes, sa
So,
mga
doon mo siya wini-weigh, pero 'pag mga 1 week ka pa lang, ay gano'n, dun ka mas magseseryoso?
we have this rule, eh, kasi before when I was still siyempre young tayo, we need to protect ourselves in the months and be wiser kasi we are women. If we choose
Daming puwedeng mawala, 'di
one
ba?
Yes, if we choose the wrong person, your life will be ang daming puwedeng mawala sa atin, 'di ba? And then that's pregnancy and everything like that and so on and so forth. I became wiser, gano'n siya. I became wiser when I was still young. Kasi it's because of my mom who always keeps reminding me, ganyan, kasi kapag papariwara ka, yung nangyayari, ganyan, ganyan, and so on and so forth. So siya talaga yung nag-ano na sa mind ko na, "Hey, all the time, every year, twice a year,
Ang
always
ganda.
remind me." Nagpapa-remind niya sa'kin na, "You need to protect yourself, you need to be wiser, you need to be like that, like that, like that." Kasi kung ayaw mo yung mangyari na ganito, ganyan, ganyan, "O tingnan mo ganyan nangyari, ganyan," and so on and so forth. It's just like a reminder. Reminder lang naman. So, yeah, and because of that, or
Swerte mo dahil you have someone to remind you, and that someone is as special as your mom.
yes, and I'm always grateful for that as well. Ano siya, eh, kaya nga sa akin, I always na may someone to remind you, like, even if sa your family or stranger, just to keep you be reminded. Importante yan siya kasi minsan mawawala tayo sa passing, eh. One thing's for sure talaga, ang sa'kin is that something valuable siya, day. Kasi parang we have that kind of ano, eh, maybe because this is Scorpio thing, Scorpio kasi siya. And then ano siya, very good yung voice niya. So, gano'n siya. Iba lang kasi kapag too emotional din kasi yung lalaki. Parang siya yung naging babae, ako yung naging lalaki. Ganyan talaga. So, kaya mas maganda kapag yung lalaki talaga is really have that emotional intelligence. Kasi kapag may emotional intelligence yung lalaki, lumalabas yung pagiging feminine natin ng mga babae.
Tas they know how to handle you.
So, how to handle us, you, gano'n. So, kasi kapag hindi, we are convinced to wear the pants.
Yeah. And it's a survival mode, hindi siya maganda
Correct.
for a relationship. Even though hindi tayo toxic, like hindi tayo nagger on all, even though peaceful naman tayong klase ng tao, but if years siya na tumagal na you're wearing the pants in relationship, that says a lot. And that is so tiring for us to be always in a survival mode.
Oo. So, yun yung nangyari sa'kin yung mga early lang. So, nothing to lose kasi wala namang nangyari or everything. That's why parang naging safety net ko na gano'n siya na rule for me. If I have a relationship or if I'll be in a relationship, I'll make sure for 3 months if the guy will survive na walang gano'n. Or maybe ano lang, holding hands or just my company and they enjoy that one without asking for anything. Then for me, that's already a green flag.
And that's a deeper kind of intimacy. When
Correct.
if hindi kayo nagiging physically intimate, but your minds collide, that's deeper.
Oo. May mga ano din ako, mga relationship doon before na hindi talaga sila papayag, day.
nawala
That's for
na walang
oo,
para mas turn off, 'no?
yeah, not to turn off ako, you should be the one who understand me because you're more older than me then but they didn't really understand. That's why, it won't work. Gano'n ako, it won't work. So, hindi ka umabot ng 3 months. Kaya yung long term ko rin, that's why my friends congratulated that person because
First
he's
time may
okay.
tumagal, oo.
Oh, he is okay with that kind of setup
Mm.
without even asking for anything.
Mm.
And for me, okay, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. And those things naman na lack niya, it's for me, it's something that could be able to grow naman din. And we were still, hindi, ako bata pa rin naman ako nung
Mhm.
time na yun. Kaya yun yung nangyari. But as the days goes by kasi talaga, as ano lang talaga, nag-collapse lang din siya. It's just, I know kasi he will never forsake or he will never cut it eh. So,
Mm.
there should be one person who need to cut it off. Kasi we're being toxic to one another. And I felt like I'm being toxic na. And the relationship is not healthy anymore. Why keep it longer? Kung pati yung mga tao surroundings mo ay naapektuhan na. And kasi nangyayari na din yun. Kasi we are not on the same page. Like, parang iba na din yung tinatahak ko sa gusto niya.
Yeah.
So,
Misaligned
yeah,
na.
not na siya, misaligned, that's the word. Misaligned na siya. And aware na ako dun. Even if that person understand or yung ex ko na understand niya yun or baka nakita niya, I'm not sure if nakita niya or hindi. But in denial pa rin siya. But for me, if we keep on doing this, keep holding it, ano mangyayari, 'di ba? There should be one person who will step up
Mhm.
and cut it even if you don't want it to happen, but you should. Kasi you're just giving yourself and the other person a chance to grow more and meet the person who will really their person. Or sometimes kasi, I really understand na you need to set yourself aside to let the people grow.
Yeah, kasi yun din yung naging reason ng breakup namin na ex ko. I feel like I'm wearing the pants in a relationship and I don't want that. And I really think na lahat naman tayo in women in general, we want to be babied. Kasi having to carry 9 months yung baby alone is lot of responsibility na. And can you imagine, hindi pa kayo na dun sa phase na yun and you're carrying everything. You're wearing the pants already and you're not there yet. What more if how can you wear the pants in a relationship if buntis ka, if you're pregnant, if you're breastfeeding your baby? That's so hard. I have a lot of role models in my life that I can really look up to. Kasi I came from a broken family. And marami sa side ng mother side ko na broken family. So, I can really attest to it na hindi maganda na yung babae yung mas nagdadala sa relationship. Mas hindi harmonious. So, I really believe yung happy wives, happy lives. And alam mo
Yes,
yun,
oo.
yung 'pag bata tayo iba kasi yung standard natin, eh. Like 'pag mabait sa 'pag pogi sa ganyan, okey na tayo diyan, eh. But as we grow old, parang mas as we mature, mas narerealize natin ano yung value na hinahanap natin in a partner. And I am that kind of person na ewan ko, pagiging ayos ko lang din siguro 'to. I-blame na lang natin lahat ng toxic trait ko sa pagiging gan'tong zodiac ko. But But what I want, I know what I want and I know for sure how to get it. Parang gano'n. Gano'n ako. So, umabot ako sa part na hindi ko na gusto yung dynamic namin na ex ko. So, I feel like I'm no longer the person that he needs for him to grow. Kasi it's 8 years, Dai. And I feel like we're both stuck.
Hmm.
But
Totoo.
in general, I have nothing na masamang puwedeng sabihin sa ex ko cause he's been really a beautiful partner sa'kin in that 8 years. Grateful naman din talaga ako. Pero naniniwala ako na minsan kay pinagtagpo tayo ni Lord kasi we both need yung isa't isa in that chapter of our lives. Pero as we progress, minsan hindi na rin talaga, eh. Hindi na tayo aligned for each other. Maybe we need to separate ways to grow. Maybe hindi talaga yan yung partner na nilaan sa'yo para ni Lord. So,
True.
nung nakipaghiwalay ako, day, it was a crazy, crazy experience kasi I was moving on way before nakipaghiwalay ako. So, 5 years pa lang kami, have that feeling na hindi siya yung alam mo yung gano'n na gut feel na parang 8 years kami umabot, eh. Pero may pakiramdam ako na hindi siya yung tao para sa'kin. Kasi whenever my friends ask me, "Nasya na ba? Kailan ang kasal?" Yung lahat sila excited kasi ang tagal na namin. Ang tagal na namin. Pero ako like, ang sagot ko lang, "I don't see anyone right now na magiging partner ko." Gano'n lang. Pero ang dali lang nung tanong na kailan kayo magpapakasal, ang dali lang sabihin na, "Yeah, I see him as my future husband." Walang gano'n, day. And it's crazy. Minsan alam
Yeah.
mo na, eh, 'no? We're
Oo,
just
may gano'n. Kasi,
in denial.
in denial, oo. Pero yung sa long term ko din naman, hindi naman siya ano, eh, kasi he is really a hardworking. Ano siya, he is really good with earning money, he's a businessman, so I don't have any ano dun. She's ano siya, responsible siya na pagkatao for short. He's respectful, he's responsible. That's why
Yung madali, I believe so.
oo, kasi gano'n. And then kung may mga ano, may mga problems, we talk about it. And yes, nagto-talk naman talaga kami. But sometimes, iba-iba din kasi yung way of handling things. Sometimes he needs air, but he needs to breathe, ganun, ganun. Maybe
Yeah.
that's just, ano, his way. And then, at least, after he's okay, then we get back na mag-talk. It's just like, siguro for me, there will always be may mga nangyayari talaga na ano, eh, unexpectedly na chaos sa relationship.
Yeah,
That's
that's
a
normal.
matter of oo, it's very normal and diyan mo talaga makakita is those problems, whether it's small or big, and how you both handle it together is something kasi if you couldn't be able to handle small things together, how can you handle bigger things together?
In the future, especially when you're married na.
Oo. So that's how I ano, yan yung iniisip ko din, eh. I don't have any ano naman din sa kanya. It's just like, other things na kailangan lang din i-work out kasi we are siguro kung eto ako, it's just on my life. I'm pretty much sure I've been toxic to him as well and he's been toxic to me as well. So, in a different way kasi hindi na kasi kami aligned. Same with din kung saan ka, whether it's work, life,
Yeah.
sama sa friendship,
You'll
hindi na kayo. Oh, you will go
you'll feel it.
if hindi na kayo aligned together, you will going to be toxic to one another.
Yeah.
Even if you've started strong, and kapag hindi na kayo aligned, it's how each and every one talk about it. And if yung pagdi-discuss nyo, how you handle the conversation, how both of you talk about the problem, tells a lot about the relationship.
Yeah.
Yan rin yung sa'kin. Oo.
Yeah.
Kaya I felt like I was like a mom to him.
Yeah, same thing.
So, yun lang talaga yung na-feel ko, yung parang napagod ka din. Hindi mo naman ginustong mapagod, pero napagod ka lang din. And then, I'm not sure if meron din siyang ganun, but he always wants to go back. But it's just me on that time na sabi ko na,
Pagpagod.
oo, 'pag pagod ka talaga. Like, you need space, you need time. I need myself. I need to go back to myself
My
kasi
God.
myself in the process. Yung parang gano'n. So, it's hard kasi hindi lahat ng tao na may gano'n na guts to be able
Yeah.
to make a decision like that.
Sometimes naho-hold back kasi sila ng, "Oh, ang tagal na namin, sayang kikilala na naman tayo ng bago." Guys, don't ever regret or 'wag mong hayaan na i-hold back ka nung sayang panghihinayang, mas manghinayang ka na pino-prolong mo yung time to be with that person when you can be attracting yung person na para sa'yo talaga. The more that you keep yourself stuck in that situation, the more na matagal mong makikilala yung person na
True.
which is the right one for you.
Correct, correct. And then, yun lang for me kasi I'm not really in a hurry. Yes, I do talk to other people, but I'm not saying na, "Oh, ano ko na siya, ganyan and ganyan." I'm talking for the sake of talking na I'm searching. Pero hindi ko sasabi na I'm going to say yes to every guy na
Yeah.
and no. I need to heal myself as well.
Yeah.
Kasi kapag hindi ka mahi-heal, you will going yung person na mag-e-embrace sa'yo, yung magiging next person, will going to encounter all of your traumas to all of your exes, and you
That's
can want
unfair.
that to happen. That's very, very unfair. Kaya it took me a couple of, like, years pa siguro. Ngayon meron akong nakakausap but I'm not saying talaga is
Yeah,
yan siya
so
official. Oo, kasi we will never know. And there
yeah.
will always be time, gano'n. Kasi I don't want to become I need to ano na healed ka, yung gano'n. Para maging okey ka din sa person na hindi niya kayang hindi niya na kailangang i-carry pa yung past traumas mo.
Yeah, to whoever was listening to us, if feeling mo in your gut that you're still unhealed,
Correct.
wag mo nang makipag-date. Like, explore yourself. Enjoy being single since hindi mo alam hanggang kailan ka lang magiging single. And yung relationship kasi lifetime na yan. You'll never know. Marami kang pwedeng gawin while you're still single. So, do it. Do it talaga.
And then kapag may gut feeling ka na, "Ay hindi talaga," wag mo siyang i-ignore.
Wag mo siyang
That's already a girl's instinct is really
Yeah.
something you is able to trust. Wag mo
That's your body protecting you kasi even though hindi natin it's crazy how we have that, no, yung instinct. But feeling ko that's a signal of our body or God telling us na hindi yan right ones for you.
Yes, true. Totoo talaga. It's just like for me, I treat my instinct like my guardian angel.
Yeah.
Sila talaga, sa kanya ako nakikinig talaga lalo yung instinct ko. Iba kasi talaga yung girl instinct eh.
Yeah.
It's like a signal for you to, "Hoy, this is something na.
Yeah.
I won't going to ignore it talaga."
Yeah,
Kung tama.
yung thought na pinulog mo na siya, pagising mo nandun pa rin yung word na yun.
Oh.
And believe me, it's a red flag. It's a sign for you, hey, step back. Kasi there's something wrong or maybe hindi lang talaga yun yung person for you.
Correct.
But believe me, I've been there kasi ikaw ano ka pa medyo conservative ka pa when it comes to dating people. Ako talaga dahil hands-on talaga ako.
Oo.
Is the nag-dive talaga
Oo.
si Inday, nag-explore talaga siya. Kasi it was just my first relationship, yung 8-year relationship ko. So I don't know.
Mas mo pala yun?
Yeah, it was
Kinakay
never and I never dated anyone kasi nung nag-aaral ako, meron kasi akong I don't know, ako lang 'to na kapag gusto ko talaga. Yan, ever since. I know exactly what I want and I know exactly how to do it. So, ang goal ko lang talaga when I was studying is to really graduate. Wala talaga, hindi ako attracted sa mga may gusto sa akin sa classroom. Hindi talaga, hindi na nakukuha talaga yung interest ko. Ayoko ng coworkers, ayoko ng classmates, gusto ko yung something na may hindi kami common para makikiliti nila yung utak ko.
Oo.
Mas ano kasi ako I'm more on the intelligence of a person. That's more attracted sa akin yung how people think, how you think, kesa sa gwapo ka, mayaman ka, mas
Oo.
na-attract ako kung paano ka mag-isip. And then, yun na nga, wala akong dating experience dahil kasi whenever nung college may mag-aaya, hindi talaga natatakot ako I'm too little, 4'9" lang ako, very petite ako noon, nag-gain na nga lang ako ng weight ngayon But noon, very petite ako, so I have that fear na what if makipag-date ako tapos ma-rape ako? Ang OA ng thinking. Pero what if ma-rape ako, anong mangyari sa'kin? Hindi ko ma-achieve yung goal ko to graduate and have a lot of ambition in life. I have a lot of goals. So, yung ex ko, kaya siya na-allow ko siya in my life because we were friends back in high school. So, I really know him already. Ganon. So, when we broke up, dun talaga dahil nag-explore talaga ako. Sa background dito nga ang dami similarities.
Kaya 'di ba napapaisip talaga tapos baka same lang 'to na person.
Oo, 'di ba? So, Nung nung nakipaghiwalay ako, dahil can you imagine after nagsabi ako na break na tayo, nag-dating app agad ang Inday and right after 1 week nakipag-date talaga ako and that continues. Pero would I suggest that? No.
Bakit?
Kasi we still really need healing.
Hmm.
We really need to endure the pain, focus on
Correct.
ourselves. Pero would I blame the younger Johanna for doing it? No. Wala din naman akong regret. Pero would I suggest that? No.
Hmm.
Pero if you were in that situation, ako, na katulad ko, na curious ka, what it feels like to date people na hindi mo talaga kilala? I would say go for it kasi we only have one life to live. And hindi mo alam kung hanggang kailan ka na lang sa mundong to. So why not give that experience to yourself? Ito lang one thing. People, whatever you do, they will judge you. Gumawa ka man ng tama, gumawa ka ng mali, people will judge you. So, live in this lifestyle for yourself. Do things because you want to do it genuinely, not because you're forced by people around you. But it is what
Correct.
you truly desire. Because life is really short.
Yeah. Your
So,
your choice.
heads on talaga ako dahil nag-dive ako. I dated people. Marami din akong nakuhang learnings through that na may mga nakadate kasi akong mayaman, may mga nakadate akong matatanda na than me, like 8 years older than me. And kahit 8 years older than me na sila, they're not that stable.
Hmm.
So it's really not about the age. Kung gaano ka nakatagal dito sa mundo, kung gaano na yung time na nabigay sa'yo para i-grab yung opportunity around you or to work on yourself. Because people, it's still on the maturity of the people, on who they are inside them, na magpo-force sa kanila para mag-build ng something. Kasi I've met people who are already 8 years older than me, pero hindi pa rin
Hindi
sila
pa rin.
stable. So,
Totoo.
one thing I've learned about dating is to really take people as who they are. Don't put them in a pedestal. Lalo na girl is babae ka girl, ikaw yung dapat ipuput into pedestal. So you value yourself. Angat mo talaga yung sarili mo na I'm the prize here. Yun
Correct.
yung one thing na nawawala na sa culture natin. Although, oo, wala na masama if you're being liberated and you're trying to explore things and allow yourself to experience things. Okay lang yun. Pero do not lower your worth just to get a man's
A guy.
Oo, just to please a guy. No, please don't. Younger girls or younger women na nakakarinig na to, do not ever lower your standard just to please a guy. Kasi if you lower it, I know in your feeling, nga, makuha mo yung boy na yon, yung guy na yon, maging kayo nga. Pero in the future, do you think you'll be happy? No. Hindi na mag-i-improve yan, girl. Hindi ako naniniwala na people can change. People can change if they really want to, but you
Yeah.
can never change a person.
Yun talaga. That's true. You can never change people will change, yes. But if they decided to change.
Yeah.
So,
That's rare.
like that person to change, hindi
Hindi
mo
mo makokontrol.
mangyayari. That's why, ano din yan if you give, feedback, kapag ayaw niyang tanggapin, wala siyang accountability of here. So, hindi yan siya reflect. Teka, kaya age doesn't matter kasi may mga ibang tao kahit bata pa, mature.
Yeah, matured enough.
Because
Yeah.
they have that accountability. Wala silang pride or we have pride and ego. Alam mo, for me talaga, based on my experience, kasi may mga kausap din ako ngayon sa mga ng mga tao. It's just the pride and ego who holds people back.
Yeah.
Kasi even if they know something na ayaw lang nilang tanggapin. And with that thought that they could not be able to accept it because they don't have that accountability behavior. Kapag wala kasi sila accountability behavior, kahit aware sila sa nagawa nila na mali, hindi yan sila mababago. It's only if they really accept the fact that they made a mistake and they accept the fact and humble enough and have the humility to say sorry for what they have acted and genuine enough to change it. And that's how they change. Ikaw lang naman makakapag-change sa sarili
Yeah.
mo.
Exactly.
Definitely, you never force someone to change themselves for you. Ganun
Yeah.
talaga. Kaya mauubos at mauubos ka talaga kung feel mo superhero ka sa tao. Hindi
No.
super you are your own superhero naman sa story mo.
Be selfish when you're dating. You're dating because you want a better life, a better lifestyle for yourself. Girl,
Hmm.
lalo na, okay, don't date if you want someone to save you. Don't date in that purpose. Build your own life. Like, build your own empire. Mag-work
Correct.
ka, mag-ipon ka, yeah, just build your career, girl. Wag mo i-focus na, okay, I'm going to date a guy kasi gusto ko ng bahay. I wanna be a princess. A passenger princess. No. Date someone because you want to better your life.
Totoo. Kasi kapag gusto mo yung ganun mga tao, you need to become that person as well so that you deserve that kind of a man.
Yeah,
How can you
exactly.
be able to deserve a man like that if you yourself couldn't be able to become the lady or woman that man deserves?
Yeah, that's worth and for that kind of man. Alam mo yung
Yes, correct.
alam mo yung may sinasabi sila na we date, parang ano tayo, 'pag nakikipag-date, we only date people who we can afford.
Totoo din yan.
'Di ba? Like it actually makes sense na bakit yung ibang guy alam mo minsan naiisip ko, sometimes 'pag may mga ka-date ako na mayayaman ganyan, minsan na-off ako kasi I'm not rich. Sakto lang yung ano lang, middle class family. Just came from a middle, hindi pa nga ata middle, eh. Kasi umaabot na part na wala ako, ganyan. Pero sometimes 'pag may makaka-date ako na konyo-konyo lang sa lista, ganyan, medyo ma-o-overwhelmed ako, ganyan, and I don't like it.
Kasi hindi
Pero
ka sanay na ganun na environment.
di gano'n yung environment, pero I still allow that person to date me, ganyan. Kasi I know my worth at the same time. I know I'm not rich, but I know what I can bring to the table. I am working, meron akong career. I know to myself na I could be if I'm a good person. So I know what I can bring to the table. Pero lang 'pag may mga guys na minsan nakikipag-date ako and minsan alam mo yun na parang hindi kami naging okay and they just disappear or minsan they step back. May mga ano mo kasi one thing na ano, na hindi kasi ako totally nagka-cut ng ties. Like, 'pag hindi ko na sila feel, I just com kino-confront ko na sila na, "Hey, let's stop this kasi ganito yung nafi-feel ko." Ganyan. Tapos i-a-accept naman nila. Minsan mai-ego hurt sila and then sila na mismo yung magka-cut sa sarili nila.
Yeah.
Some guys, they still pursue me. Pero later on, he never parang almost bibihira lang yung percentage. Parang sa lahat ng mga naka-date ko, ang percentage ng bumabalik is 80% of the time. Bumabalik sila. And nung 'pag bumalik sila, parang hindi ko sila in-embrace para bumalik sa life ko. Pero actually, ini-interview ko sila na, "Ano natutunan mo?" Yung mga gano'n.
Bakit ganun?
Oh, ewan ko, parang kasi I feel like sa isip ko kasi, I'm looking for someone who in first meet up pa lang, he knows na I'm rare. He knows my worth. He can see my worth. So, I want someone who value me for the first time. So, if hindi mo ako na-value nung time na binigyan kita ng chance, hindi na. Believe me, kahit bumalik ka, kahit anong gawin mo, believe me, hindi ka na makakabalik. Kasi
Paano mo nalaman nung someone if you're giving that person a chance? Paano mo nalaman nila if yan yung chance na binigay nila sa'yo? In case if they're listening.
na yun na yung chance.
Oo.
Like, kasi depende, pinabayaan mo na ako, like, pina-stop na kita and you really stop, like, umabot ka ng 2 months bago bumalik. That's a different scenario. Yung 2 days lang and then bumalik,
Ah.
hindi ibig sabihin hindi pa rin nag-cap yun, eh, parang pause lang. Pero yung 2 months die, that's a different thing. So,
Hmm,
kapag kunyari may mga 2 months kasi, 6 months, bumalik, tapos nag-a-ask ulit, they're still asking me out, ganyan, and then sasabihin nila, "Ngayon ko lang na-realize yung value mo," yung parang gano'n. No! You can never have me back again. You only have one chance to prove yourself to me. So, ang how I perceive it, if you can do that to me in the first try, paano pa sa second try na second chance na? So, ang isip ng guy, 'pag pinayagan mo 'yan, believe me girls, 'pag pinayagan mo 'yan na bumalik sa buhay mo, tapos may something ulit na mangyari, maisip niya ulit mag-step back, masasanay 'yan. Iisipin niya whatever happens, may
hmm,
babalikan naman ako, eh. Pumapayag naman siya, eh, kasi ganyan lang yung tingin niya. Alam mo pumapasok dito yung self-worth mo, eh.
correct. It's just a pattern.
Yeah.
Hindi nga rin 'to before. Ito lang dapat gawin ko para
Yeah.
page
Yeah.
yun, eh.
Alam mo, like, call me narcissist, pero I think, I see myself as a luxury item, like a Louis Vuitton or a Hermes bag.
Oo.
Okay, I value myself as that. Kasi, 'di ba, sa Hermes, hindi kaagad, not anyone can buy from Hermes. You need to have that credibility para maka-buy sa Hermes. And for example, nasira yung connection mo sa Hermes, like yung good, ano ba, yung good ano mo, connection mo sa Hermes,
Anong ibig sabihin na
pag nawala pag nawala parang ikaw, 'pag nasira yung pagkatao mo sa isang tao, 'pag parang nawala yung trust ng Hermes sa'yo, iba-ban ka nila. You can never shop
Oo,
again, not
oo.
until ma-realize mo yun.
Oo.
Pero bihira na ibigay ulit nila yung opportunity sa'yo to shop. Kaya nauso yung mga personal shopper na someone will buy from you, for you, kasi sila na may na-build na silang
Nag-shop
ano,
dun sa shop.
trust, oo, dun sa shop na yon.
Oo.
So, I keep myself as a luxury item na wa bibihira lang mabibigyan ng opportunity to date me kasi sa totoo lang ako nakakausap, pero not everyone na nakausap ko is dinate ko na inalaw ka sa buhay ko. So, if nabigyan ka ng chance, value it. Like, I value your time, I value you as a person, so I need you to reciprocate the respect that I'm giving you. So, okay lang din if it didn't work and yun it means you're not my person, it's okay lang. Alam mo dahil mga bumabalik, may na-experience ako before that he was so honest kasi ang nangyari, I feel like may girlfriend siya.
Oo.
I feel like,
Tapos?
alam mo ba't parang na-feel ko na may girlfriend siya? Kasi 'pag lalabas kami laging patago, parang gaging gabi na, tapos hindi matao yung pupuntahan namin, like sa dulo-dulong McDo, yung gano'n, na wala siyang kakilala. So, parang ako nag-iisip ako niyan, akala kasi ng people when they see me, I'm too innocent. Kasi yung mukha ko, mukha ding bata, alam mo yun? People perceive me as too innocent. So, people see me as well as gullible. Pero believe me, in my mind, nag-checklist na ako. And I know I have the courage to get out. So, nung parang lagi ng ganun, nagsabi ako sa kanya, sabi ko, "Hey, alam mo hindi ko nagugustuhan yung nafi-feel ko. I'll just be honest. If this will continue, I would rather just withdraw myself. And thank you for the connection that we had. That's it." And then alam mo ba nung
May
sinabi ko yun,
ultimatum.
oo, yeah. Girls always do that. Na may ultimatum
Yes.
yung mga boys even though they don't know it.
Ultimatum.
That's crazy pero
Totoo.
good job girls.
Pag may
Kasi
ultimatum ka, alam mo yung worth mo, eh.
oo, kasi alam mo yun Day, not everyone really deserves you. Not everyone deserves your energy. So you need to cut them out as soon as possible. So nung bumalik siya, kasi nung pagkasabi kong gano'n, nawala na siya Day. Hindi na niya pinaglaban yung sarili niya. Hindi niya na nilaban na, hindi, wala naman akong girlfriend. So mas lalo siyang nag-value sa akin na, may girlfriend nga 'to. Or meron siyang someone na greater than me. I'm just an
Oo,
option,
parang
parang gano'n.
ganun.
And sa isip ko talaga, no, hindi ako puwedeng maging option, panganay ako. I'm the first zodiac sign. Hindi, never ako magiging option ever. The fuck? Kaya sino
Oh.
ka to put me as an option? So, nung bumalik siya after 2 months, and then he keeps on asking me out lahat na magagandang words na sinabi niya pa sa akin, I will forever his totga. Gano'n, as in may level siya ng gano'ng pag-express sa'kin, hindi mo ako madadala sa words mo. Parang sa isip ko talaga sabi niya sa'kin, "Je, I'm sorry, nadala ako, eh." Parang andun ako sa sobrang gustong-gusto kita at that moment. Pero nung na-realize ko na what I need to give in order to be in your life, natakot ako. Dun ako nag-step back. At doon pumapasok ang sinasabi ko na people date people according to their capabilities. Like,
Correct.
it's a shopping thing. Minsan gusto natin pumasok sa mga ganong luxury brands, 'di ba? Pero 'pag nandun na tayo, nagse-step back tayo. Why? Because we don't have the money to buy it.
Correct.
And girls, do not ever feel sad or lower your alam mo yun, parang sisisihin mo yung sarili mo na, "What's wrong with me? Bakit ganito? Bakit until now I'm still single? Bakit parang same pattern na iniiwan din nila ako?" Maybe it's just because they can't afford you. That's it. Yun lang talaga
Correct.
yun.
Oo.
And
Parang
if you were
oo.
if you're direct enough to tell to the universe na, "Ito yung gusto ko, ito talaga, hindi talaga ako mag-settle until I have this person." Mas mabilis mo talaga mafi-filter out yung mga tao sa buhay mo, yung mga taong pumapasok. So,
Kapag
have standards, ladies.
Oo, kapag malaman mo kung if that person is yours, eh. Kasi if they know that you're really leveling up, they will step up and yung parang motivation nila yan.
Yeah.
Para ano, para andun ka pa rin sa future nila, 'di ba?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oo, it's just like a motivation for them to step up of their game, of their
Yeah.
para ma-hit din yung standard na gano'n. And that's how it is, you grow together din, eh, 'pag
Yeah.
dynamic.
Yes, I Namugday, I really wished and hope that every woman will be with a partner who treat them as their dream girl. Not because someone na ikaw lang yung nandyan kasi.
Comfort ka lang.
Yeah, ikaw lang kasi yung available at that time. We all deserve to be loved in that kind of way. Na ikaw yung dream girl. Kasi ito nga yung one thing alam mo ba, kasi nga ganito ako, medyo expressive ako, ganyan. OA, si OA. Pero may mga friends ako na nagsasabi, dapat kasi hindi ka ganyan, ganito ganyan ka, ganito ganyan. Pero kahit ganun yung mga friends na nagsasabi sa akin, ang core ko kasi, why will I change myself just for people to like me? If I know to myself na wala namang masama sa pagiging ako, hindi naman ako nakakatapak ng tao. Alam mo yun, I mean, my family loves me, my friends loves me. Bakit nila ako minahal? Like, I have friends na 15 years na kami friends. So, bakit sila nagstay sa buhay ko? 'Di ba? And I came from an 8-year relationship. So, there's something about me na nagstay yung person na yon. So, sa isip ko talaga, I don't wanna change myself. I wanna attract the man na, alam mo yung will match me, will accept me for who I am, and I don't need to change anything. Kasi naniniwala ako the more na mas genuine ka and authentic ka on how you do and how you express yourself, the more na mas mabilis ka makikita ng taong para sa'yo talaga.
Come on, you want it. Come on, and get it.